Whether we like it or not, we live in a society that judges us based our outward appearance. Luckily, there are steps we all can take to look better, so whether your goal is better hair, better skin, better makeup, or just an overall better appearance, this article is here to help. If you need to soak up extra oil in your T-zones, you can use blotting papers to quickly give your face a more matte appearance. These sheets often come in small, pocket-sized packets. Many are offered with rice powder or in a powder-free option. The packets are very cheap and can be slipped into your purse or desk drawer. New products called mattifying lotions are perfect for any makeup kit because they can be applied anywhere on the face that appears slick from excessive oils. These lotions often have a creamy or heavy gel consistency and can be applied without a mirror. It also provides a smooth foundation upon which your makeup can be applied. Splashing cold water on your face can help reduce the frequency and prevalence of pimples. This is because it shrinks the size of your pores, making it less likely and less possible for them to get clogged, and clogging usually results in the appearance of a pimple. So to keep yourself pimple-free, splash cold water. To make small eyes appear larger, try lining your lower waterline with a white or peach-colored eyeliner. By lightening the color of your waterline so it blends better with the white part of your eye, you can create the illusion that your eyes are larger and brighter than they really are. Create the illusion of less deep-set eyes by using lightly colored eyeshadow to the entire eyelid. The light colors will appear to come forward, whereas a darker liner or shadow would have the reverse effect, making the eyes appear to recede further into the face. The color you apply should be light and very subtle. You want to avoid red eyes at any cost. After all, if you draw attention to your eyes with makeup but they're irritated or inflamed, it defeats the purpose of applying the makeup in the first place. Stow away eye drops in whatever bag you are carrying. These can be used for instant relief if your eyes are blurry from sitting at the computer or if they are dry from being in the sun. Always apply a heat protectant spray to your hair before using a curling iron, flat iron or hair dryer. Heat can damage your hair, leaving it brittle, dry and full of split ends. Just like their name implies, heat protectant sprays coat your hair to protect it from the heat. This allows it to stay smooth, sleek and shiny no matter how you choose to style your hair. A handy beauty tip is to add a little nail polish remover to your nail polish. This helps to thin the nail polish out and make it last a little longer. It is also a good technique to use when your nail polish is a little older and has started to thicken up a bit. To make your eyelashes look thicker, dust them with a coat of loose powder before applying your mascara. Use a small brush to apply a thin layer of translucent powder to your eyelashes, taking care not to get the powder in your eyes. Follow up with a coat of your favorite mascara over the top of the powder. Minimize caffeine intake to contribute to your efforts in beauty. Caffeine can cause premature aging along with other side effects. You should limit coffee and tea consumption to a cup a day. Switching to a quality green tea or decaf coffee is a better alternative to the usual drinks. Here is a number 1 tip-top beauty tip. For more volume, use a mascara that is waterproof and is formulated to provide length to your lashes. Many kinds of mascara brag that they have special formulas that will provide curl and volume to your lashes. Sometimes these formulas are very heavy. They are bad for the skin around your lash line and they may straighten a natural lash curl by weighing lashes down. Instead, you should opt for a lengthening formula that is also waterproof. If you want voluminous lashes that curl upwards, then you want a lengthening formula. Use hydrogen peroxide to cure yellowed nails. Nothing is beautiful about yellowing nails. To fix this problem, soak cotton in peroxide and then wipe each nail for several strokes. Let it sit on your nails for a few minutes. Rinse your nails, and admire the lack of yellow coloring. In today's society, much of how we are treated depends on what we look like. The fact is that what we look like is important, whether we agree with it or not, and the good news is that there are things we can do to enhance our overall physical appearance. Just apply some of the tips found here and it will help a lot.